Alright, it's a kind of a simple question that can make you regret the rest of your life. So we have 4 minus 4 into brackets. We have 4 minus, and we are asking ourselves, this is equal to which answer? And we are saying that the answer is not 0. Like the majority of you can look at it. It is not 0. In this video, we are going to have a step-by-step breakdown of this expression, and we see how we are going to come up with the correct answer. Hello dear viewers, this is MATHL.J, and you are welcome. In this presentation, we are going to simplify this expression. So now let us dive into the video, and never subscribe in case you are a new viewer. So we have the 4 minus the 4 into brackets. We have 4, take away the 2. So in reality, one can begin by getting the 4 minus 4, which gives a 0. Then in brackets here, the 4 minus 2 to get a 2. Then when this 0 is multiplied by 2, we get a 0. But guess what? This answer is completely wrong. So let us have an approach which gives us the correct response to this expression after simplifying it. In fact, in here we have to follow BODMAS, whereby B stands for the brackets, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and lastly A stands for subtraction. And the order of priority decreases downwards, meaning that the bracket is given the first priority, followed by of, division, in that order. So now back to this expression. What we are going to do is to follow BODMAS, and when you look at it, you can see we have the brackets. That means we are going to first deal with the figures or values that are enclosed in brackets. As we are having the 4 minus the 4 into brackets, the 4 take away the 2. So we first deal with the brackets here. So 4 minus 2, we get a 2. Then this bracket also means multiplication, and here we have a 4. Then this is the subtraction symbol. This is a 4. Then from here, we have subtraction and then multiplication symbol. Ask yourself, following the BODMAS, which one comes first? Is it subtraction or multiplication? Following the order, multiplication comes first. Then thereafter, subtraction, as per this question. It means that we are going to first multiply before we do any subtraction. What does it mean? It means that we are going to multiply 4 by 2, which gives us the 8. Then we maintain the symbol of subtraction, and this way we have the 4. Then the 4 take away 8, we come to the result to be negative 4. And then we have to conclude that therefore our expression, which is 4 minus 4 into brackets 4 take away the 2, equals to the negative 4. And this becomes our correct response, but not 0. And if this video has been of value to you, kindly subscribe to the channel MATHL.J for more videos of the kind. See you again. Goodbye.